Here is a recipe to make murukku at home. Ingredients: 2 cups of rice flour, a half cup of urad dal flour, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida hing, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of melted butter or ghee, salt to taste, oil for frying. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the rice flour, urad dal flour, cumin seeds, sesame seeds, asafoetida, red chili powder, melted butter or ghee, and salt to taste. Gradually add water and knead the dough until it becomes smooth and pliable. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Take a small portion of the dough and fill it into the murukku press. Press the murukku onto a greased plate or a plastic sheet to form a circular shape. Alternatively, you can press the murukku directly into the hot oil. Fry the murukku in the hot oil until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove the murukku from the oil using a slotted spoon and drain on a paper towel. Repeat the process with the remaining dough. Once cooled, store the murukku in an airtight container. Note: you can also add other spices and herbs, such as curry leaves or black pepper, to the dough to add extra flavor to the murukku.